Hello, in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So let's get right into it. We have a pretty nice looking box, but let's actually open it to see what we can find inside the box. So of course, straight away we have the device itself, nicely packed. But let's actually put this down for a sec. Now inside over here we can also find the charger with the USB cable that is used, of course, to plug into the charger. I mean, your smartphone, of course. The charger looks quite big. There we go. Over here, we need to plug in the USB cable. And this is how it looks like. Now, in addition to that, at the back of this side of the box, we can also find additional things. So let's try to get this down. If not, then maybe we can just open it instead. Maybe we can grab it a little bit. Oh, there we go. So now it should be easier to take it out. And inside here we should find the case and some information and the pin for the SIM card. So there we go. We have some instructions. We have the pin for the SIM card slot. And of course, we also have a simple case which we can put on. Now let's open the smartphone. There we go. And this is how it looks like. And that's pretty much it. This is everything that we can find in the box of Motorola Edge 50. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.